Dropbox Spaces is a virtual workspace that brings your projects, files, and collaborators together in a single place. Let's take a look inside. Once you log in, you can see an overview of all your project spaces, relevant files, all your most important tasks, your daily meeting schedule, and updates. We'll come back to this a little later. But for now, create a space for a project by clicking the New Space button and adding a brief overview of the project. Great! Now add your project teammates or external collaborators by tagging them in. From here, anyone on your project team can add action items and relevant files, add a project timeline, and see the project overview at a glance. Spaces integrates with your existing tools, so you don't need to worry about jumping between apps to keep your project on track. From the Content tab, you can access all your project files, from photos to spreadsheets to design assets and even web links. Over in the Tasks tab, create and assign tasks to yourself or your teammates. Add a description, a deadline, and related files directly to the task so you never miss a beat. And in the Updates tab, you can add project updates, share files, and leave comments on a teammate's posts so everyone knows exactly what they need to do to stay on schedule. From the People tab, you can view and manage who's involved in a project. To add a new team member to a space, simply click Add Someone. Now, let's go back to the Spaces homepage, where you can see an overview of all your project spaces. From the Docs tab, you can view and manage all docs. In the Tasks tab, you can tackle your to-do list, assign a task to a teammate, and view all tasks across projects. And from the Meetings tab, you can prepare for the day by viewing your calendar and even join a meeting directly from Spaces. From the Updates tab, you can add a post, respond to a teammate, or review the latest version of a project file. Okay, I could go on, but it looks like you and your team are making great progress. Now keep it going with Dropbox Spaces. Sign up for the beta today.